The Chevron-operated Wheatstone project is committed to providing opportunities for Australian industry. Australia's first LNG hub is being built in Ashburton North, 15 kilometres outside the Pilbara town of Onslow. And from the outset, local Pilbara businesses have been getting the early works moving.
We specialise in cars and fleets, so we do everything from small cars to four-wheel drives, trucks, buses, four-wheel drive buses, tip trucks, water trucks, and we specialise in supplying entire fleets for companies like Chevron.
West Australians Lisa and Sean Clarke are the self-starters behind McLaren Rawhire, which now operates the largest fleet of vehicles in the Pilbara.
We started the company back in 1998 with one vehicle, and that was hired to a local construction company. And we were in a caravan park at the time, and proceeded to hire vehicles from the caravan park. And it's been a process of doubling our fleet every year.
An important aspect of any fleet are the safety features of the vehicles. For the Wheatstone project, safety is a top priority, a priority that extends to the fleet of vehicles it uses. So what would this mean for McLaren's Rawhire?
With big jobs and big contracts, and like the Wheatstone project, there comes different requirements asked of us by our clients. And in-vehicle monitoring systems, IVMS, is obviously one of the key safety features that Chevron introduced, being that we're dealing in a remote location and their staff safety is obviously paramount. So fitting those sort of things into our vehicles, that's obviously something we've been able to do and work with Chevron to do, and it's obviously the way of the future.
For McLaren's Rawhire, responding to specific project needs involves a well-trained workforce.
We put a lot of emphasis on upskilling staff. We have a large range of staff working for us. We have our own mechanics to service our fleet, and then sales and so forth based in the Pilbara. Every year there's focus put on training, which is obviously the beauty of winning these sort of jobs. The more busier we're becoming, the more people we're putting on, the more training. It's one of those big circles.
Winning these sort of jobs also present opportunities for local businesses to grow.
Wheatstone project contract for us, it is a significant project. It's obviously quite a huge job. It's early days at the moment, but it has allowed us to expand further into Onslow and also expand our services.
As more local content is being used in Onslow, so Onslow-based businesses are flourishing. NTC Contracting is another Onslow-based business. The earth-moving company has been awarded a contract to perform bulk earthworks and civil engineering and construction works for the Wheatstone project, and it became the first civil contractor to access the main worksite at Ashburton North.
We were recently awarded the early works contract, which involves the bulk earthwork clearing, installing access roads, and forming the bulk earthworks for the proposed flight camp for this Wheatstone project. We'll also be involved in some of the earthworks, clearing and earthworks down on where the plant is going to be installed, down on near the foreshore.
NTC's contract with the Wheatstone project represents another opportunity for a Pilbara business to grow.
Wheatstone project is very important to NTC. It's providing us with a chance to expand and to involve more people, more local people into our workforce, and employ more of the Indigenous members of the community. We used to operate at about 40 employees, but now we're increasing, and we'll be increasing more and more as the job goes along. It's a significant job for NTC. It's a job that we've probably been waiting for many years. We always knew it was in the wind, and so it's been quite an exciting time for us.
Nearly 1 year after construction began, the Wheatstone project has awarded more than 300 contracts, which will create more than 4,000 jobs, and it has committed more than $8 billion on local goods and services.